Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 5th month 2014 TM Holden Barina. This shape runs from 11th month 11 up to 8th month 2016. This car has a petrol 4-cylinder 1.6 petrol engine F16DA with an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. Petrol 4-cylinder 1.6 engine F16DA engine code. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand side and front. Left-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy mags. Left-hand front, good tyre. Left-hand guard, indicator type. Left-hand electric non-indicator type mirror. Passenger front door, in good condition. Passenger rear door, a couple of dents, but still in good condition. Left-hand rear 15-inch mag with good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Boot lid in good condition. Rear bar cover has a couple of light impressions, but other than that, still in good condition. Right-hand tail light. Right-hand rear factory 15-inch mag with good tyre. Both the passenger and driver's front door have been damaged in the accident. Right-hand electric door mirror, non-indicator type. Right-hand front 15-inch factory mag with good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with factory black cloth interior. Center console. Automatic gear stick. Passenger side sun visor. Interior light. Interior mirror. Driver's side sun visor. This car has a factory single stack CD player. Factory three spoke black vinyl steering wheel with cruise controls and audio controls. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.